Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to be comparing two of my favorite palettes, and yes, from two of my favorite brands as well. One is by Kay Beauty and the other one we have is by Manish Malhotra My Glam. So if you want to know all about these two stunning palettes and want to know how better they are from each other, then keep on watching. You know the drill. Let's get on to the packaging first. So first up we have the Manish Malhotra My Glam Rendezvous palette. Now Manish Malhotra's packaging really reflects Manish Malhotra, I would say. Most of their makeup products is more of like luxury looking, but when you hold the product, when you touch it, you know it's not a heavy duty packaging. It is plastic. So yes, it is plastic, but it's the presentation which is going on here, so it looks really chic. It has all black packaging, rose gold border, and then you get into the palette, you get a full-size mirror right there, and then you have these 9 stunning shades, and you have all the details right behind the palette, the shade, palette name, the amount of money you're paying, the amount of product you're getting, and yes, this product is formulated in Italy. Let's move on to our Kay Beauty. Now yes, this is pretty interesting because as I told you, both of the eyeshadow palettes and the formulas I have loved individually, but when you start comparing your two very own favorite products, then the story is different. So do watch the video till the end. So here we have our Kay Beauty packaging. Very nice cardboard, very environmental friendly packaging, I would say. I really like this whole design which is going on the palette, and yes, it is very different, very out of the box, and I really like it. Then you have some basic details, but not exactly your manufacturing or your price or your amount of product. That all is mentioned on your only outer box. So if you end up throwing it, then you lost all the details. But other than that, this palette has some steps how you can create a easy peasy eye look. If you're just a startup learner, you can actually go through this one. So yes, these things do help at times. You just have to read it. All in all, a full-size mirror. You get 9 shadows here as well, but yes, you see there you have a big size pan and you have a round pan, and you can easily pick up the product. So yes, if I compare this packaging with my Glam, then looking chic but having all the details, I would give 9 out of 10. Here I will give 8 out of 10 because nothing is mentioned behind the box or behind the palette, I would say, which is needed, like the manufacturing, the expiry, all that stuff, because you want to know at what point you need to stop using this palette. Pricing, quantity, and yes, how many different eyeshadow palettes they offer. My Glam is going to cost you $18.50. You get 9 grams of product. You get 4 different palettes to choose from. The Kay Beauty one, on the other hand, is going to cost you a little less, 1,199 rupees. You get 10 grams of product and you get 4 different palettes to choose from. For most of us, pricing does play a very important role while picking up an eyeshadow palette, because eyeshadow is one thing which we end up buying too many in numbers. So we really want to save also, but to get the best palette. But more than pricing, you should even look into the quality. If the mattes are performing, shimmers are performing, and the other very important thing, then they should be performing well together because they have been given in one palette. Yes, and the foremost and the last thing, whichever palette you pick up, whichever shade family, all of the shades should be complementing to each other, or at least you can make the most out of one eyeshadow palette. Talking about the My Glam eyeshadow palette, I have the Rendezvous palette, which is again a wonderfully laid out palette. It is a more of a smoky eyeshadow palette. Talking about the mattes, oh my god, they are super rich, and I would say whatever shadows you see in this palette, they appear much deeper on my eyes. I need a very little less product and they just blend seamlessly. I have a hooded eye, but these shadows do not even crease into my eyes. So yes, mattes are performing. Shimmers on the other hand, there is with this one center gold shimmer, which is a little chunky, but when you lay it on the eyes, it just stays on there. One other thing which I have seen with all the shimmers and mattes, they do not have an excessive fall off while you're doing your eye makeup. So you can even do your eye makeup after doing your base makeup. Talking about other shimmers which are available in the palette, oh my god, they are super rich. When you just dip in your finger, apply that shimmer, you feel you're not using a drugstore palette. It is definitely comparable, or I would say at par with many high-end palettes I have used. So all the mattes, shimmers, and basically all the 9 shadows in here you see, they perform well together. What do I expect out of this palette? Mostly smoky eyes, because the palette layout is such. All the 9 shadows perform well together and they complement each other. Yes, the formula is definitely super rich, and it is very hard to find a palette which is of good quality into drugstore, because yes, I have tried too many drugstore palettes and this one definitely stands out. For the price, yes, I do feel it is a little expensive palette into drugstore family, but till the time I was just using this one from drugstore, I felt it was all worth it. Now let's jump on to the K Beauty one. Now K Beauty one is going to cost you 1199 rupees. Here you get 9 stunning shades. Now this one is in the shade called Pure Bloom. I have the Bare Soul one as well, and they have 2 more. Now here all the mattes perform really well. The shimmers are also good, but there is one shade which is more of a shade which has a little bit of shimmery chunks into it, more of your matte shade. So what exactly it happens, it doesn't apply well onto the skin, it just moves here and there, so it has a lot of kickback going on. Though I have seen that shade only in this palette, it is not available, it is not there in my Bare Soul palette. So I think it is not in every single palette. There must be one other palette which the palette has that kind of a shade. And which is that shade? It is this shade called Salmon, right on top corner. It looks shimmery in the pan, but it is very powdery, it's very chalky. And yes, leaving this shade, all the other shades perform. For the price, I do feel here mattes, shimmer and a whole complete palette complement each other. They blend really well onto the skin, and again this palette doesn't crease. Though I have seen after 5 hours the shimmers tend to crease a bit, but leaving that part, the shadows perform really well. Is it really comparable to the My Glam one? I would say no. Yes, after using them quite a number of times, I initially felt maybe it's very closer to the My Glam drugstore palette, but quality may definitely My Glam is a little up notch and K Beauty will still be a little lesser, because you are definitely paying a little extra here. Yes, with eyeshadow palettes, I do feel the more you pay, the more good quality shadows you get. Yes, it happens a lot of times, but a lot of times it can be a miss as well. So pricing can be an important factor deciding an eyeshadow palette, or maybe you can just neglect it and buy any palette you want to buy for yourself, or you feel it is attractive and I'm going to use it. So there you know all about these 2 stunning palettes by 2 well-known brands. Which one would I recommend you to get? Both, because both are well done. You know the pros and cons on both the palettes, though My Glam did not have any cons. The only con can be, or for me it is not even a con, but it can bother a lot of you, is the price point, 1850. Why do you want to pay 1850? Just be on Instagram or follow a My Glam content creator. They offer you such amazing discount codes. Use that discount code. You can just get this palette for 800 rupees, because at times My Glam offers 70% off. So you're still not paying 1850 for it. You can definitely save a lot more here. Talking about the K Beauty one, yes, you know the pros and cons on the palette, but I would still say go ahead and grab yours. You can get any of the 4 palettes, whichever fits your desires. Yes, everybody has a taste, but only this palette I felt that shimmer was a little chalky. Apart from that, the shadows blend easily. This is one of my most used palettes as well because I enjoy myself with these. You can see the highlight of the palette I use the most, leaving this corner shade. So yes, here also mattes, shimmers, all the shades perform really well onto the skin. And yes, compared to My Glam, you're definitely paying a bit less here if you want to buy it on full price. But today if you come and ask me, Anjana, I have 2000 rupees, which palette should I be buying? Then I would say go ahead and buy the My Glam palette because it is for 1850, and since you have 2000, why not get the best one? I will be leaving all the links in my description if you want to grab one for yourself. I will be here soon with some more eyeshadow palettes, some more reviews, some more makeup and some more comparisons because I know you love watching comparison. And yes, in a comparison video, you happen to understand the product more better because it is being compared to another favorite products of yours. That is why I always try to pick up products which I've used the most and compare them together so that you get the best out of these comparison videos. I will be here soon. Consider subscribing if you really love to watching this video, and if you want to watch more such videos, click onto that small notification bell so that you get notified from my future uploads, and I'm quite active on my Instagram. Till then, you take care and I will see you in my next one.